2009 Winnebago Vista 26P for sale in Sportsylvania, Virginia, 22553. Spread your wings and fly with this 2009 Winnebago Vista 26P. This Class A motorhome is 26 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Triton V10 gasoline engine matted with automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 auxiliary start switch awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 3 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a hydraulic leveling system, front power leveling jacks, captain's chairs, and a monitor panel. With only 27,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Winnebago will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2009 Winnebago Vista 26 is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove / OvenDouble Kitchen SinkMicrowaveFridge, FreezerDinette With Chair SeatingDay, night shades,